Here in model 4 we have one important topics, the time value of money. Let us discuss what is this time value of money. That is, see, the time value of money is the important when one of the interest either in investing or borrowing the money. Suppose best example is if a person invests his money today in bank saving, by next year he will definitely accumulate more money than his investment. This accumulation of money is nothing but time value of money. Same we are generally take an example for that. If a deposit has 20,000 in a bank, they give the interest for 1 year, it's like 2.5% or 0.05%, whatever it. When I got till at the end of year, I got more money what I deposited initially. So that money over the time period is known as time value of money. Is nothing but money will become more at the end of the period once you deposited in bank. This is known as time value of money. And next, the best formula is how to calculate this time value of money is the given one example. A person deposited 1,50,000 in a bank for 1 year and got of 1,60,000 at the end of 1 year. Find out the total amount of interest and rate of interest per year on the deposited money. Giving the information about a person deposit 1,50,000. After that 1 year he get 1,60,000. Around 10,000 is more. So here the total amount of interested gain for 1 year, how much it is? 1,60,000. He deposited 1,50,000. Around 10,000 it is the rate of what the extra amount he got. And simple interest we have formula. What is the extra amount I got? 10,000 divided by what I have deposited initially. This is 1,50,000 into 100. You will get 6.67%. This much amount of interest paid by bank at the end of 1 year. Next, this is the simple interest. The important, very important, is the basics. Everyone is know the what is simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is nothing but the interest is charged only on the principal amount for the interest period. If I take a loan from the bank of 10,000 for example, and after 5 years I got 25,000. This is the interest. The interest which is placed on the principal amount what you have taken 10,000. At the end of 5 years I got 25,000 I need to pay for the bank. That is the interest which is applicable on the principal amount is called as simple interest or sarala patti. ಉಪ್ಪ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು 10,000 ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಆ 10,000 5 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 20,000 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಏನು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಆ 10,000 ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. 10,000 ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ simple interest. Generally we can use the formula PTR by over 100 or PNI by 100. Let us this, what is this? P is principal amount like 10,000 and number of interest is number of years and is rate of interest how much? 12, 2.5 or whatever it. Let us discuss what is this compound interest. The interest which is applicable on principal amount plus interest at the end of 5 years. ಏನಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 10,000 ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಒಂದು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 20,000 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಈ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಒಂದೇನೋ 20,000 ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 10,000 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೂ 10,000 ಬಡ್ಡಿ. ಸೊ ಆ 10,000 ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. The interest is applicable on the principal amount and also plus the interest amount accrued at the previous interest period. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಹಾಕೋದು. We called it as compound interest. We have general formula use. Compound interest is P into 1 plus I divided by this is 100 or n. N is the number of years. Let us discuss our problem. A person has taken a loan of 1 lakh from a bank of period of 5 years. Estimated the amount of money. A person will repay the bank at the end of 5 years for the following cases. Consider a simple interest of 8% per year. Consider compound interest of 8% per year. So what you are telling is, suppose I have taken 10,000 from the bank, and after 5 years I pay that amount with the interest of 8% for simple and 8% for the compound. Let us discuss for simple interest of 8%. Let us calculate it for 1 year. So PTR. So PETR by over 100 years. We need to place some 100 here, not mentioned. PTR by over 100. P is 1 lakh, and into time is I have taken for 1 year. 1 year into simple interest of 8% means divided by 100, it will get a 0.08. So this much equal to, sorry, here replacing 0.08 directly I have taken here 8%. You can calculate divided by 100. So it will be 8,000 for 1 year. So in this table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I need to pay for 5 years. So 1 years I have got around 8,000. So I have taken 1 lakh plus 8,000 I need to pay for 1 year. And second year same thing, 8,000 will be there, and 1,80,000 initially I have to pay this much amount of deposited in first year. Second year it will double, so 1,16,000. Likewise for 5 years it will be 1,40,000. So this is the simple interest. Okay, next considering the compound interest of 8%. So I have a simple formula. So compound interest P is equal to 1 plus I power by 100 divided by n power n. At the end of first year, what will be that? 1 plus 8 divided by 100. In here put the value of n is 1 for 1 year. So it will be 1,08,000. So at the end of second year it will be put n values 2 like this. Using this formula you can calculate it up to 5 years. It will be around 1,46,932. I have gotten the simple interest of 1,40,000. Here I have gotten 1,46,932. 6,932 is the compound interest of extra amount. So this is the procedure for calculating simple and compound interest.